Coming up on 2 minutes left till the closing bell. You see the Dow still holding on to about a 92-point gain. A lot of that is Procter & Gamble, up as much as 9% over the course of the day. S&P 500 really waffling around the flat line. As a matter of fact, for the week as a whole as well, is just clinging to a pretty small gain. The index is about 0.5% above the lows from Monday, which was before Tuesday's big rebound rally. It remains about 1% above last Thursday's low. So yes, we put some distance between last week's sell-off lows and where we are now, but really not a whole lot of it. Look at the Russell small caps, too, for the week. They have lagged. That's been pretty conspicuous, Bob, that some of the parts of the market that have been kind of the problems have not really cleared themselves up.
No, and it's interesting. If you look at the gainers this week on the Dow, it's all defensive consumer names. So not just Procter & Gamble, but Coca-Cola, Merck. There's all the winners this week. Walgreens, they're the biggest gainers. The laggards are all cyclical. So you look at Boeing, it's Dow DuPont, Caterpillar. Those are the big decliners for the week. So there's a very clear tilt here, what you might call a value tilt. To the market. Remember, the S&P is up, NASDAQ is down right now. I think the real question next week, Mike, is the selling exhausted? I was encouraged by today. You remember in the middle of the morning, we had a little bit of a sell program come through, particularly in tech stocks. There are people who are still moving some things around, but it just sort of died very quickly, and the market kind of lifted slowly. That's a good sign. We're not getting waves of selling. We get little pieces that come in that drop.
That being said, the rallies that get faded, right? So it's in this zone where there's a lot of push-pull, and you buy the dips and maybe sell the rips. So, as you say, set up into a pretty big earnings week. So we'll see.
Look for other things. For example, how many stocks are above short-term indicators, like a 10-day moving average, that kind of thing. And that's the kind of thing that traders are going to be looking for.
Still kind of oversold, just not as much. Bob, great. Have a good weekend. Thank you very much. Ringing the bell here at the big board is AT&T and the Tribeca Film Festival up at the NASDAQ. Pacific City Financial Corporation. That's the first hour of the closing bell. Sarah, back to you.